Hello everyone. The Minister of Kokta, Nkosazana Dlamini, had an interview on Gagasi FM radio with Alex Mtiani. Nkosazana expressed optimism about her prospects of emerging victorious at the December conference. She insisted that the results announced by the ANC Electoral Committee were simply from nominations by the branches and not delegates. The committee announced that President Cyril Ramaphosa and former Health Minister Zweli Mkhize will contest the position of the party president. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma said branches take instructions from leadership, but at conference it's the delegates that decide who to elect. That is why one is optimistic about the chances of leading the ANC. She also dismissed suggestions of throwing her weight behind either of two leading candidates. Dlamini Zuma's optimism was also shared by the General Sihle Mbongwa, branch member of the ANC in the eThekwini region, which told the Mercury that it was unfazed by her failure to feature on the list of nominees for the top 6 positions announced on Tuesday. The branch is in Ward 32 of eThekwini and is made up of Central Durban, Albert Park, and surrounding areas. Its members have vowed to fight until the end to ensure that their candidate emerges as the winner. Dlamini Zuma's failure to make it to the list has political observers saying the race for the presidency is only between Ramaphosa and Mkhize, but Dlamini's branch has poured cold water on this, with members vying to lobby for her in the coming days. A branch member said to IOL News, "One must admit that the list announced was quite disappointing, but in saying that it is also important to point out that this is merely the outcome of a nomination process and not voting. The outcome simply means that we will have to continue with the groundwork and lobby until voting day. It's not going to be an easy process, but it has been done before. This means that the lobby group will continue to try and convince other delegates on Dlamini Zuma's suitability to lead the ruling party, paving the way for her to be nominated from the floor during the conference to contest for the top job." Meanwhile, the former ANC Women's League President Bathabile Dlamini has lamented the male-dominated nominees list for the top 6 positions. She vowed to work tirelessly with her comrades to ensure that at least 2 women make it into the top 6 positions, saying there was still time to recover lost ground ahead of the crucial conference. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma also said the disappointing part is that as women, we are the majority in the ANC, and yet there are prevailing attitudes that we should always be led by men. This is another demonstration of how patriarchy continues to dominate in the ANC, and it's important for party members to introspect on how we got here. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.